Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best foldable digital pianos available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned musician, we've got something for everyone. Make sure to check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off our list at number 5 is the Melwin 4 portable weighted 88-key folding digital keyboard piano. This piano combines innovative portability with a classic aesthetic, featuring a wood grain finish that adds a touch of elegance to its design. Its full-sized, weighted 88 keys deliver an authentic playing experience, perfect for musicians who value realistic key response. The foldable design makes it incredibly convenient for travel or storing in compact spaces, while Bluetooth MIDI connectivity allows seamless integration with digital audio workstations like Ableton Live. In terms of build quality, the Melwin 4 piano strikes a balance between lightweight portability and durability. At just £9, it's easy to carry, yet sturdy enough to withstand regular use. The digital display is user-friendly and complements its modern styling. However, it lacks built-in speakers, relying instead on external audio solutions for playback, which may limit its standalone usability. This piano is well-suited for adults seeking a portable practice option or beginners looking to explore music composition via MIDI. The main drawback, however, is its corded power source, which limits its flexibility compared to battery-powered models. While it's not the most feature-packed option on our list, it's a reliable, aesthetically pleasing choice for those prioritizing portability and design. Pros include its elegant wood grain finish and seamless Bluetooth connectivity, while cons include the lack of speakers and corded power. At number 4, we have the Rymo 61-key folding piano keyboard, a compact yet powerful option for musicians on the go. With its semi-weighted, full-size 61 keys, this piano offers an authentic playing experience while maintaining exceptional portability. It folds flat in seconds, making it 50% slimmer than traditional keyboards. The built-in battery provides up to 6 hours of playtime, making it ideal for outdoor gigs or late-night practice sessions. The dual high-definition speakers deliver surprisingly rich sound, while the headphone jack allows for silent practice. The design is modern and practical, with a durable build that includes a rugged carrying case. The keyboard sound chip produces clear, dynamic tones, and its 128 voices, rhythms, and demo songs make it a fantastic tool for learning and experimenting with different musical styles. Bluetooth and MIDI connectivity further enhance its versatility, letting you connect to DAWs like GarageBand and FL Studio for composition and recording. While the Rymo piano excels in portability and sound quality, its 61-key layout may be limiting for advanced players accustomed to 88 keys. It's an excellent choice for beginners and intermediate musicians who prioritize convenience and portability. Pros include its compact design, solid sound output, and generous accessory bundle, while cons include the smaller key count and slightly shorter battery life compared to other models on this list. Coming in at number 3 is the Carry-On 88-key folding piano. This ultra-portable keyboard is designed for musicians who are always on the move. Its lightweight build and foldable design make it easy to fit into a backpack or travel bag, while its full-sized 88 keys offer a natural and realistic playing experience. The built-in USB rechargeable battery provides up to 8 hours of playtime, ensuring uninterrupted music making during long practice sessions or performances. The Carry-On piano features 128 voices and accompaniment styles, providing ample versatility for experimenting with different sounds and arrangements. The built-in 3-watt speakers deliver decent sound quality, though they may not be as robust as those found on higher-end models. MIDI over USB functionality makes it perfect for digital music production, allowing seamless integration with DAWs for recording and composing tracks. At just £3.52, it's the lightest option on our list, though the plastic body may feel less durable compared to heavier models. Ideal for beginner to intermediate players, the Carry-On piano is a solid choice for travel and small spaces. While its lightweight design and long battery life are major advantages, the sound quality and build may not satisfy advanced users seeking a more premium experience. Pros include its portability, battery life, and versatility in sound options, while cons include its relatively lightweight build and modest speaker performance. Taking the number 2 spot is the Terence Piano Keyboard 88 Keys Foldable. This model is packed with premium features, including fully weighted hammer action keys and a wood grain texture that delivers an authentic piano feel. The dual 5W speakers provide excellent sound quality, with clear treble and rich bass that rivals traditional acoustic pianos. The foldable design makes it 60% more compact than standard keyboards, and the included carrying case ensures hassle-free portability. The Terence Piano comes equipped with 27 premium voices and 128 rhythmic accompaniments, making it a versatile tool for learners and live performers alike. Bluetooth MIDI connectivity adds to its functionality, enabling seamless integration with mobile apps for guided lessons and track composition. The rechargeable battery offers up to 5 hours of playtime, which is slightly lower than other models but still sufficient for most use cases. This keyboard is ideal for adults and advanced beginners who want a highly portable yet professional-grade instrument. Its weighted keys and robust sound system set it apart from lower-tier options. However, the higher weight and slightly shorter battery life may pose limitations for those seeking maximum portability. Pros include its authentic piano feel and excellent sound quality, while cons include the shorter battery life and relatively heavier build. Taking the crown at number 1 is the Fingerballet Portable Piano Keyboard. This premium foldable piano offers 88 full-sized, semi-weighted keys that emulate the feel of a traditional piano. The wood grain finish adds a touch of sophistication, while its compact foldable design ensures portability without compromising on quality. With Bluetooth MIDI connectivity, you can easily link the piano to your mobile device for recording and composing music using various DAW software apps. The Fingerballet BX20 stands out with its extensive sound library, featuring 128 tones, 128 rhythms, and 20 demo songs to explore different musical styles. The built-in speakers deliver clear and dynamic sound, and the optional battery power allows for performances without plugging in. The package includes essential accessories like a sustain kettle, carrying bag, and music holder, making it a complete bundle for beginners and seasoned players alike. This piano is perfect for musicians seeking a balance between portability and professional features. While its 12.32-pound weight makes it slightly heavier than other portable options, the robust build and premium features justify the trade-off. Pros include its versatile sound library and premium build quality, while cons include its higher weight compared to ultralight models. Overall, the Fingerballet BX20 is a top-notch choice for anyone serious about music making. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video and found it helpful. If you did, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and comparisons. If you have any questions about these products, feel free to leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.